A good follower can become a good leader. And in fact, the first step to being a good leader is to be a good follower. Remain humble, be ever learning. Thank you very much. Namaste. Today I'd like to share with you a shlok, Sanskrit shlok, which is a poetic form of expression. I'll share this with you in Sanskrit and then I'll explain to you the meaning. And there's a deep message in it for all of us. The shlok goes like this. Amantaram aksharo nashti, nashti malam anaushadam. Amantaram aksharo nashti, nashti malam anaushadam, ayogya purusho nashti, yojakas tatra durlabha. Let me explain. See, amantaram aksharo nashti means that there is not a single akshar or letter of the alphabet from which a mantra cannot be made. A mantra, a hymn, a prayer, or holy words. Okay. So there is not a letter of the alphabet from which a hymn cannot be made. Amantaram aksharo nashti, nashti malam anaushadam. In Ayurveda, it is believed that there is not a single plant or part of a plant or root from which a medicinal herb cannot be made, which means nature has the best medicine. Amantaram aksharo nashti, nashti malam anaushadam, ayogya purusho nashti. There is not a single human being that doesn't have the potential for greatness. Yojakas tatra durlabha. What is rare, jo nayab hai, what is extremely rare is finding the person who will take out the holy hymn from the letters. What is rare is finding that person who can make the medicines out of the parts of a plant. What is rare is finding that person who can bring out the greatness in an individual. That is rare. And if you find such a person, that is a true teacher, a true guru. It is said that for any human being, if they have 5 good teachers in their lifetime, they can consider themselves extremely blessed. A good follower is only one who can become a good leader. It all begins by seeking the right knowledge from the right teacher. Every leader has a mentor. The analogy is that imagine that you're in a box. It's a wooden carton. Now, the instructions to get out of the box are written outside the box. So only somebody outside the box can read those instructions to help you to come out of the box. We don't even know we're in the box. Okay? Which simply means, as Einstein said, you cannot solve a problem from the same level in which you are experiencing it, because at some level you have created that problem or you are part of that problem. Okay? You need a different perspective. You need a different consciousness, an elevated consciousness. Okay? A good follower can become a good leader. And in fact, the first step to being a good leader is to be a good follower. Remain humble, be ever learning. Thank you very much.